Hello. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to both export and import a form using BitForm. Let's begin. Start by navigating to BitForm. Identify the form you want to export, in this case, the Collect Information form. Take a moment to preview the form to ensure it's the one you want to export. Click on the three-dot menu under the Action section. Select Export. This will result in a JSON file being downloaded. Now, for the importing process. Switch to another domain where you intend to import the form. Install BitForm if it's not already installed on that domain. Access BitForm. Choose to create a new form. Head to the Form Import section. Click on Choose/Drop Your File and select the previously downloaded JSON file. Decide which properties you want to import with the form. You can either import all properties or select specific ones. Click Import. You'll receive a confirmation that the form has been imported successfully. To ensure the import was successful, review the imported form. Thank you for watching this tutorial.